So here's how to set up welcome and goodbye bot on Discord. So from the Discord homepage, go over to the top left corner and click on the server. Then go to app directory. Here, you can explore different apps for games, music, creative tools, and more. Go to the search bar at the top right corner and type in ProBot. Select ProBot from the suggested results. Now, click on Add App as shown. Then, click on Visit Site to visit this website. Once you're here, click on Add a server to add ProBot to it. Then, click on Continue. After that, click on Authorize. You have now successfully added ProBot to your Discord account. Now, go to the left panel and tap on Welcome and Goodbye. Over here, you can manage the settings for this bot. For example, enabling send a message when a user joins the server and more. Once you're done, click on Save Changes at the bottom. And that's it. You can easily set up Welcome and Goodbye bot on Discord.